Are you looking for a natural way to improve your digestion and take care of your figure, but don't know where to start? Don't skip this video. I have a little secret from my kitchen that can change your routine in just 10 minutes. With just celery, carrot, lemon, and ginger common ingredients, when combined the right way, they become a powerful superfood for your immunity. By the way, which country are you watching from? Please leave a comment. I'd love to know where in the world we're connecting from. Everything is ready. Let's head into the kitchen and get started. We'll start with our main ingredient, celery. I usually break off each stalk, rinsing away every bit of dirt hidden inside. Just 3 to 4 large stalks are enough for a perfect serving. After separating the stalks, I cut them in half to make the cleaning process much easier. Next, I put the celery in a bowl and add a pinch of salt. Then I fill it with water and let it soak in a light saline solution for 5 to 10 minutes. Why celery? Dr. Eric Berg, a well-known health expert, once shared that
celery is extremely rich in potassium and natural electrolytes. It not only helps soothe the nervous system and reduce stress, but also helps the body eliminate excess fluids, reducing water retention and promoting smoother digestive function.
After soaking, rinse it thoroughly one more time with filtered water. To ensure the celery is perfectly clean, I'll add salt one more time and perform a second thorough rinse. This step gives me peace of mind that all impurities are gone before preparation. Since this is a raw drink, I always focus on and perform this step very carefully. After washing, I take the celery out to drain. Next, I use a clean paper towel to wipe each stalk completely dry. This step helps remove any excess tap water. This keeps the drink from being diluted, preserves its original flavor, and ensures it's safe for my digestive system. Now, I'll chop the celery into small pieces about 2 to 3 centimeters long. This makes it easier for the blender to process and prevents fiber from wrapping around the blade. But did you know this isn't just a technical trick? Chopping just before blending is a strategy to lock in nutrients. When vegetables are cut, plant cells break, releasing antioxidants. If left too long, oxidation causes light and heat-sensitive vitamins to break down rapidly. So, by chopping quickly and blending immediately, I maximize the nutrient content, ensuring the drink retains its purest natural vitality. Next up is carrot. I'm using a small one, perfect for this serving. I also soak and wash it in a light saline solution to remove any impurities. Only after thorough cleaning do I start peeling the skin. You know, peeling not only removes lingering soil, but also gives our juice a brighter, more uniform color. Remember to slice the carrot into thin rounds. Carrots are quite firm, so slicing them thin helps the blender process them easily without overloading the blades. Moreover, this helps release the maximum amount of beta-carotene inside. This is a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in supporting vision and naturally boosting the body's immune system. The third ingredient is fresh ginger. Just a small piece, about 2 thumbs long, is enough. After washing, I use a spoon to scrape the skin. This tip helps me work faster and save the most ginger. Next, I cut the ginger into small pieces. While cutting, remember that ginger contains gingerol, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that boosts immunity. This is a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory properties, helping to boost immunity and naturally soothe stomach discomfort. Ginger has a warming property, which is crucial for balancing the cooling nature of celery, helping to warm the stomach and create a fragrant, soothing aroma. Finally, the lemon. I use a little baking soda to thoroughly clean the outer peel. Then I rinse it with water and use a paper towel to pat it completely dry. Instead of the whole lemon, I only use half. This amount is just right for a light, refreshing tang without irritating the stomach. I peel off the green skin and then chop it into small pieces. While chopping, be sure to remove all the seeds. Remember, the seed coating and the seeds themselves are the culprits that make the juice turn bitter if left to sit. Now, everything is ready. Looking at these fresh ingredients, don't you feel energized? Now, I'll add the ingredients into the blender one by one. First is the celery, followed by the carrot, fresh ginger, and finally, the lemon. To help the blender run smoothly, I pour in 300 milliliters of pure filtered water. Layering them like this helps the blender process everything smoothly, ensuring a perfect blend. Now, with just a press of a button, all ingredients will blend perfectly. Blend for about 1 to 2 minutes until you reach the desired smooth consistency. Just look at that. The vibrant green of the celery and the orange of the carrots create such a natural, beautiful color. It really is a perfect combination, both visually and in taste. Not just eye-catching, this is the energizing health cocktail we've created from the freshest ingredients. Now that it's blended, I want to share 2 ways to enjoy this drink, depending on your preferences. The first way is to drink it whole. I pour the smoothie directly into the glass. This is excellent if you want to keep all the fiber, supporting digestion, cleansing the colon, and keeping you full longer. It will be a bit thick and textured, but that is the most authentic flavor of the fresh produce. The second way is using a strainer. I pour the mixture through it to extract the pure juice. This is perfect for those just starting out with green juices. The juice will be light, smooth, and very easy to drink. Plus, removing the fiber allows your body to absorb vitamins at super speed without putting any pressure on your stomach. The combination of celery, carrot, lemon, and ginger creates a nutritious drink packed with natural vitamins and minerals. This drink gently detoxifies, boosts digestion, and enhances metabolism thanks to the antioxidants from ginger and lemon. I always drink this in the morning, 30 minutes before breakfast, as a healthy habit to feel the positive changes. Since there are no preservatives, I drink it immediately to ensure my body absorbs all the nutrients. A quick note, if you have a history of stomach issues or low blood pressure, adjust the lemon, ginger, or celery to suit your body. What about you? Do you prefer it whole or strained? Let me know your preference in the comments. I'm keeping this pulp to make a delicious zero-waste breakfast. It's so simple. I add 1/3 teaspoon salt, some black pepper, then crack in 2 eggs, and whisk well. I heat a pan with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I keep it on low heat since olive oil heats up quickly. Spread the mixture evenly. Because the pulp volume is small, the omelet stays soft, fluffy, and moist. The golden omelet with specks of green celery and orange carrot looks absolutely stunning. You'll love the nutty flavor of olive oil and the spicy pepper that balances the celery. It's a perfect breakfast. So, in less than 10 minutes, I've prepared the perfect healthy breakfast combo: a detox drink and a fiber-rich omelet. I hope this video provides useful info and inspires you to live a green, healthy life. Good luck with your journey to a more energetic and positive self. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. And now, goodbye, and see you in the next video.